Hi friends, today we can see how to draw using number 2. So using number 2, I am going to draw duck, parrot and peacock. So first let us start now. So first write number 2. So for the reference, I am marking it in the sketch so that you can see how it is formed. For duck, we have to make like this bend, and then for the tail we have to do like this, and for the wings you can make it like this. So duck will be in the pond, so I am putting this wave. So for the beak we have to do like this, and then eyes. So this what duck is made by using number 2. Now we can see how to draw parrot. So I am writing this number 2 for the reference so that you can check out how it is formed. After writing this number 2, you join this. So after joining this, you make a head like this. So after making the head, you should make a body. Then the branch. So after the branch, you make a tail. And then eyes. Then the beak. See how parrot is formed? It is easy for the kids to learn this drawing, so kids will enjoy it. Now we can see how to draw a peacock using number 2. So same for the reference, I am marking it in the sketch so that you can find out how it is formed. So same as swan, you have to make the body of the peacock. After making the body, you should make the beak. The beak should be downward so that it looks like a peacock beak. And after this beak, you should make a feather. After that, you should make a leg like this, 2 slanting line and then 2 straight lines, and then leg, 2 slanting lines and then 2 straight lines, and then the leg. After this you make a feather, wings like this. Then the crown. So peacock usually have a crown, so like this. You should decorate it. So peacock feathers has that mark. We have to draw that inside the peacock. You should do like this. After finishing this, make this pattern so that peacock feathers are seen clearly. So it looks beautiful and pretty after the completion of this. See, simple way to draw a peacock. In this way the peacock is drawn. So by using number 2, we have made duck, parrot and then peacock. Thank you for watching this video.